we go, hello. Right, so today's a very exciting day. Let's get into the car first, shall we? We have live. Quaffle, are you good? Please excuse the redness of my face. I've just been for a run and have not long got back, jumped in the shower and jumped back out again. Today is a very exciting day because, as you can see, Quaffle is in the car with me. We're going on a road trip. We're going to see our old friends, the Fruity Flot, and we're going to Quaffle's first ever Freeflight meet. We're actually running a bit late. We were meant to be there at 11 o'clock, but it took me a little longer than I expected to get everything together. And then I've nearly flopped GoPro, so... Hi, Coffee. I know, you don't like GoPro, do you? Don't like GoPro. You ready, Puff? Hi, Baba. Hello. Want to go see perch? Go your perch then. Good girl. Hang on. You got a lot of distraction. Where is he? I'm going to. You can hear him. Can't see him. Yeah. Kiwi, what are you doing? Station. Good job. I love the little head dance. The parrot. Gonna go back? Good girl. Do it. Kiwi, Bingo. Come on, Bingo. Come on. You want to go over with Mango and Kiwi? Go on. Go to. Come on. Stand aside, please. Let's go. Ready? Come on. Kiwi. Yeah. Kiwi. Very different. Very, very different. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. They're like, we're waiting for you. I know, I never not reward you for coming, I know.
Wait. Whoa, Mango, wait. Like, ready? Ready? Ready?
They're like, we'll not play at the same time.
Good girl.
Fun. Are you having fun with your friends?
Ready? Thank you.
Are you coming?
Her Shelby's now.
One, it gets delivered, yes.
Yeah. Oh, you haven't got it?
Not yet. It's on its way.
Yes.
It's currently on the Mikey and Mia.
Oh, okay.
Good girl. Lay down here.
Yes, Kiwi.
Good girl. Yeah. Boy.
Like, I'm here to chill.
Kiwi's
Huh?
like, love the mum. Always love the mum. We love the mum. Banana.
Oh, she wants banana.
Have you seen banana?
No.
Mango on walking bridge. You're not eating the camera. No banana? No, no banana.
Where do you want to go?
I'm surprised she's not been in a tree yet. It's usually the first thing she does. Yes, I can see you thinking of going into a tree. So, yeah, you do. So we've got Mango up there somewhere, not 100% sure where. And then we've got little Kiwi down on this lounge. Hi Kiwi! We've got my destructo bird on the bottom branch. At the time of her life. There she goes again. No? He's like, no, I'm having fun, Mum.
Yes, good girl. Come on.
I literally just heard her say mango and I'm like, oh my god, that's what the noise was. Here comes a kiwi.
Fishy clench.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Like, I'm not flying.
Not that high. I'm going straight for the person in front. Yeah.
And I don't have zoom. Oh, hi, Kiwi. Oh, what are you doing? The tail is at that end. The mango is missing. Hello.
They're so cute.
That is a jump.
I know. Oh, she's came down.
Oh, that's what you wanted. You don't want to go back in the tree?
No.
You want to kill the camera?